What is up, guys? Welcome back. I just woke up, as you probably can tell. My voice is a little shoddy and I probably look tired as whatever. Anyways, so I'm going to start out with cleaning the carbs today, at least a little bit on the mouths of the carbs, and then we're going to install the new ignition switch inside the cab, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So right now, just probably gonna make a time lapse. So Alright, so I just finished cleaning the carbs. Let's see. Just finished cleaning the carbs, and I'm going to start it up, make sure everything's working properly. And then, after that, the ignition switch. The ignition switch is supposed to be coming in the mail today, so I'm crossing my fingers that that actually happens, and we'll be able to put this in the video. So, let's just get it started and make sure I did everything right. Ask me again?
No.
Okay.
Bye. Have fun.
Alright, let's flip this around. So, just got off work. Gonna throw this into the car, like so. Like that. Hey there.
Come over there, not me.
Hey there.
What?
Sorry about that. So, we're gonna want to disconnect the battery first, because why are we gonna disconnect the battery first?
Hold on.
Yeah, you do.
I just said just to be.
Do you want to get electrocuted?
No.
Okay. That's why you disconnect the battery first.
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
But what if they want to be electrocuted?
Well, then don't disconnect the battery.
Oh my gosh. Keep walking.
Alright, so I got the battery disconnected, so we're not gonna burn our titties off.
What? What did you say?
So we're not gonna burn our titties off.
No, that's a naughty word. We don't say those words.
We do say those words.
No, you don't say those words. Ah, there's me.
Anyways, so I'm gonna take the cover off right here to the steering column, and then I'm gonna replace the back of the ignition switch, and hopefully that fixes my problem. Okay, so I just got this off. There was 4 screws on the back. This is the back right here. There are 2 that require a socket and 2 that were just screws. So now you gotta take this little plastic trim piece and let's see. So I just pulled the back off, which was that plastic piece. It's right there. And we're gonna take the new one, get it out of the box first. Right here, you can see this one looks a lot better than that one. It's a lot newer, it's cleaner, and hopefully it does the job better. So I just got everything bolted back up, except for 2 screws. I want to turn the car on first, and make sure that the switch is working before I put everything else back in. So far it's good. Fuel pump comes on. There you go. There you go. There you go. She's not in a good mood. All right. was successful. So I got that installed. It's one more thing off the list of things to do. Stay tuned. I might be getting a 240 in the next week. So hopefully that goes through. And then, I don't know. After that, we'll take it from there. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned. Peace out. So, we got it on the trailer. You can probably hear it in the background. It took us a good 30-40 minutes, and now we're on the way back to the house.
We're disgusting.
Yeah, we're sweating our balls off right now, so.
Middle of summer, putting a car onto a dolly.
It's like 100 degrees outside.
At least we got it on there.
Yeah, we did get it on there. We actually found out one of the tires isn't totally destroyed.
Surprisingly.
Yeah.
Don't know how. Can't really answer any of those questions as to how. We ask them, not answer.
So once I get home, I'll give you guys a little look at the car. It's in pretty bad shape.
Yeah, it's bad shape. I mean, at least it's one piece, because for all you know, you could have found that in pieces.
Yeah.
And it could have been something to just talk about.
But the interior is all there, which I love. That has not been parted out. So, yep, that's what we're up to now. And I'm actually going to go look at paint and go to a body shop in about an hour. So, we'll go from there, and I'll kind of take you guys along with me, and we'll look at colors together.
Desert.
What's up, guys? So, welcome back. Right now, I mentioned in the last vlog that I might possibly be getting a 240Z, and well, that might possibly turn into I'm getting one pretty much. So
We got a trailer in the back. I don't know if you can
Yeah.
see in the window there the tire of the dolly, but towing it with that, saying, because last night was kind of a disaster. Somewhat. You want to tell them that story? Or?
no, that does not get disclosed.
It wasn't a disaster. It was just complicated.
Yeah.
But
So a little bit about the 240. Doesn't have a title, so I gotta figure that out. And it doesn't run. There's no key to it, so I've got to get an ignition switch.
and
I
I put
have
a lot of money into this.
Yeah, I will. But it'll be worth it. So
I hope it is.
I hope it is too.
But after all the complicatedness of trying to get it out of the spot that it was in.
Yeah. So a little bit more about it. It was mud up to the rims of the car. It was kind of stuck, and it was just left and abandoned in the middle of nowhere. So we kind of just did some research and decided that we could kind of pick it up and take it for ourselves. And well, that's where we're at right now. So we're on our way to go get it. I've never pulled a trailer by myself before, so doing that.
It's really no different. You just have to overcompensate for the extra length.
No, I know. And it's a little bit wider than the
Yeah, that too. But we did get it out. It's in a more, how should I say, reliable spot to be pulling now.
The tires are shredded on it. We shredded those because we tried to pull it with a tow strap the first time, and the tires were rotten.
Like I said, I'm still surprised how far we got with it.
Yeah, we did get probably about a mile on what was left of the tires, at least.
It's a very interesting experience for me.
Yeah, he was in the car.
I was in the
He was
car.
steering, and
Literally, it just sounds like someone shooting a gun behind me. That's how flat the tires were. And just there was just parts of the tires that just it was just bouncing everywhere. It was just awful.
so Melanie's gonna be pulling the trailer.
What? No.
Yeah?
Nope.
No, she's
That's
not.
all you.
That's a bad idea.
Yes.
You don't have a license?
She just got her permit, actually, guys.
Oh, okay. There we go.
So-
yeah, there we go.
I made her study a lot.
Go away.
What are you doing?
There's a spider on my window.
Yada.
Did you get it? Or
Yeah, I did.
Alright.
He's
Okay.
cute.
So, right now, we're on our way to go get it. Green light. And I will get back to you when we start loading up the car.